Now we put the milk in the blender. There we go. Then we put the 4 eggs go in the blender. And then the melted butter. Then we put the flour and sugar. And then we're done, then we pour it here. Then we're done, then we eat it. Try it. This was under, so remove that. Crush. Now let's try it. Which here's my piece. I'm so excited. It's very good. I hope you enjoyed this video, which I will say some, but I want to say it again. I hope you enjoyed this video. Click subscribe. Bye! And put thumbs up also. This time I'm not going to miss. Put thumbs up. Okay, bye! Stay beachy. Stay playing. Stay cooking. And that's all of the things I have done. And even coming home, playing, cooking. Bye!